you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, what's up? So on today's video, as you guys see from the title, the groceries that we got today and a clean with me. I decided to clean out the fridge and the freezer so we can fit the items that we bought today. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, and please don't forget to like and comment, and let's just get started. So we'll start off with here, the chicken. We like to eat this for lunch. We can make like sliders. Sometimes we even use it for dinner, but I love to make chicken sliders with chicken barbecue sliders with this chicken. We got more chicken here. We like to either make chicken breast in the oven or just chicken breast seasoned to eat. And we use some ground beef for taco night or for lasagna soup. Of course, half and half for coffee, eggs, and coffee. These is the best that we love. We love to get Tim Hortons coffee. And then some potatoes we like to make, of course, as a side dish. But we also love to make a KFC famous bowl dupe. So we get that. And then we have some popcorn chicken. And then some canned corn. That's what we do to make the KFC bowl. Of course, I love to drink this with my coffee in the mornings. And some croissants are awesome also for breakfast. We're going to be making tuna, so we need mayonnaise. And I love soup, so I love to eat soup with my sandwiches. So there's a few soups in there. And then, of course, green beans as a side. The best fire sauce for tacos. You guys have to try this. It's amazing if you haven't. Of course, there's tuna for our tuna sandwiches. We got tater tots as a side. Just an easy dish to make when we just want to have pizza and tots. Mac and cheese as a side. That's really good. We love it. You guys have to try that out. Of course, there's some sausages we like to have for breakfast. And like I said, I showed you guys all of that popcorn chicken. We like to eat just as a quick put it in the air fryer or use it as a meal for our KFC bowls. Okay, now we go ahead and over here to the fruits. We're gonna be starting baby food, so I'm gonna show you what we had for that. But strawberries, 2 of them, because once you find a good strawberry, you have to buy more than one. These strawberries are so good. And then some blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, either for smoothies or we just like to eat in the morning as a side for breakfast. Carrots for baby food, celery for tuna, lettuce for salad, banana, of course, either for smoothies or just to have as breakfast, cucumbers for salad. We have a sweet potato here for baby food, zucchini for baby food, avocados for baby food, and butternut squash for baby food as well. And then this onion we do for tuna. And of course, we had to get some essentials, Kleenex and diapers, moisturizing wipes, and toilet paper. So that's it.